Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well. And what is the scope of data science in future? What is the scope of data science in future? Okay, and why everyone wants to move their job towards data science? Why is it? Because data science data science is a very high demanding is a very high demanding skill in the industry at this time. Okay, why is it? Because of growing demand, data science continues to be in high demand across various industries as businesses seek to leverage data for decision making. And if I talk about second, diverse application, data science is applied in fields like healthcare, finance, e-commerce and more, offering a wide range of opportunity. Okay, if I talk about third, advanced technology, emerging technologies like AI and machine learning are enhancing the capabilities of data science, creating new possibilities. If I talk about fourth, data privacy and ethics, as data privacy becomes more necessary. If I talk about fifth, education and training, ongoing learning and staying update on the latest tool and techniques will be essential for success in this field. Okay, if I talk about fifth, global growth, the global nature of data means data scientists can work in various location or remotely. Okay, so that's why everyone and every student moving their job or moving their career towards data science. That is because reason is this, आने वाले टाइम पे डेटा साइंटिस्ट की डिमांड इतनी ज़्यादा होगी कि बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजीज डे बाय डे हमारी बढ़ रही हैं. एआई, मशीन लर्निंग, ये सब डे बाय डे बढ़ रहे हैं. ओके, तो डिमांड भी बढ़ेगी. दैट्स वाई every students and everyone wants to do data science, and everyone towards move their career towards data science. Okay, thank you so much, hope you like my video. If you really like, then please go and subscribe my channel, and if you really like my video, then please click on like button. That will be a big thanks for me. I'm creating daily short content for all of you. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye, take care.